Language is not merely a means of communication, it is a reflection of a culture's essence, values, and identity. Cultural practices, in turn, are deeply intertwined with language, shaping and being shaped by the words, expressions, and narratives that a community employs. The connection between language and culture is a symbiotic one, where each influences and sustains the other, and this interplay is at the heart of what makes each culture unique. Language serves as a cultural lens through which we view the world. The words a culture uses to describe emotions, relationships, and experiences are not mere linguistic constructs but windows into the cultural mindset. The German term Gemütlichkeit encapsulates the cozy, comfortable, and friendly atmosphere of a cherished place, reflecting the importance of such settings in German culture. Similarly, the Japanese word tsundoku refers to the act of acquiring books and letting them pile up without reading them, offering insights into the value placed on knowledge and learning. Language shapes how we perceive and categorize the world. For example, the existence of distinct color words in a language can impact how people perceive and remember colors. In some cultures, certain shades that might be considered green in English are categorized as blue, or even have their own unique terms, illustrating the linguistic influence on perception. Cultural practices significantly influence language use and structure. The rituals, traditions, and customs of a culture often find expression in the words and phrases used. The Eskimo languages, for instance, have numerous words for different types of snow and ice, reflecting the central role of snow in their environment and way of life. Cultural practices also influence language in terms of politeness, formality, and respect. In many Asian cultures, the use of honorifics is a prominent feature, with specific linguistic markers denoting respect or familiarity based on the social status and relationship between speakers. Language and cultural practices play a pivotal role in preserving and transmitting cultural identity. They are the vehicles through which stories, traditions, and values are passed down from generation to generation. When a language disappears, a significant part of a culture's heritage is lost. Efforts to revitalize and protect endangered languages are also attempts to safeguard cultural practices and values. The connection between language and cultural practices is profound and multifaceted. Language is not just a tool for communication but a reflection of a culture's unique worldview and identity. Cultural practices, on the other hand, influence and are influenced by language, shaping how people express themselves, relate to one another, and view the world.